Find the way to unlock the matchboxes. This is the matchbox puzzle made by Taze Puzzles, designed by Oscar van Deventer. It is made of 3D filament, and then there is paper covers for each of the matchboxes. The goal is to be able to take all the matchboxes apart, and then you can hide something in each one of the matchboxes. Now, taking it apart is not very difficult. There's a movement here, and there's also a movement here. But because it's so easy to take apart, sometimes that means it's quite a bit more difficult to put back together, because you can just pull it and not realize what you've done. And then to try to figure out the shape again is where the difficulty lies. Matchbox puzzle is a level 7 on the Puzzle Master scale from 5 to 10. So if we see, there is this movement here, but there's also this movement here, and this kind of helps you understand what's going on with the puzzle. So in this puzzle, each one of these matchboxes is linked to another cover. So we have the white one linked with this that went up with the orange, and in this one, then there is the orange one here that is linked to that one. Then we can remove the gray one here, and lastly, remove the red one from here. Start by taking this piece here, inserting the red matchbox into it. Next, take the silver piece, insert it in through here. Then take this matchbox, putting it on top of here. And lastly, putting this matchbox on. But as you can see, it doesn't actually link in that way. So we can either do this and separate them enough so that we can do one coordinated motion to put them back together. Instead, you could take this set here and this set here and insert the pieces together. If you want to get the Matchbox puzzle for yourself, go check it out on Etsy Canada from Taze Puzzles.